Hello, friends. Welcome to Pattu Tales. When I was a child, I had a special pencil that taught me 5 magical secrets about life. I still remember them today, and I want to share this wonderful story with you. I was drawing when I realized something. Wherever I moved the pencil, it left a mark. Just like that, everything we do in life leaves an impact on others. So we should always do good things and be kind. Oops, I made a mistake. But then I remembered, I can erase it and fix it. Just like that, in life, we can learn from our mistakes and try again. Mistakes are not the end. They are just a chance to improve. This pencil looks simple on the outside, but inside, it has something very special. The graphite. Just like that, what's inside us, our kindness, honesty, and love, is what truly matters. Sometimes, a pencil needs to be sharpened to write well. It might seem tough, but it makes the pencil better. In life, when we face challenges, they make us stronger and wiser. So we should never be afraid of tough times. The pencil keeps doing its job no matter what. Just like that, we should always follow our dreams, never give up, and keep going no matter how hard things get. So friends, I learned 5 amazing lessons from my pencil. Every action leaves a mark. Mistakes can be fixed. What's inside matters most. Challenges make us stronger, and we should always follow our purpose. I hope you liked this story. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pattu Tales for more fun stories.